Hi, let's mod this GShock. I love AP watches, but they are too expensive for me, so I got this bracelet from AliExpress. It's around $50, and I'm gonna make a Casioak out of my old GShock watch. You see, the bracelet looks nice. I will put the link down below if you want to buy one or try it out yourself. You get these 3 screwdrivers with it and the screws that go on the case. You see, that's all you need. You need auto tools. So let's take out this old bracelet. You see, you have to pull this out to get the bracelet out, and now the other one. And now you have these 4 screws that you have to unscrew. As I unscrew this, I saw that 95% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you like this video, click that subscribe button. And thank you. Let's continue with this. And now I'm gonna take out the movement out of this rubber thing that is protecting him. The waterproofing part will stay the same for the GShock because it's in the movement, so don't worry about that part. And now let's put it in the new bracelet. You just put it in like this, and you get the 4 screws with the bracelet, so now we have to screw them down, you see. What's your opinion of these modding watches? Do you like them? Do you think it's not fair for the original watches to do something like this? The bracelet is a little big for me, so I have to shorten it. You also do this with the screws that you got. You just unscrew the screw and take out the number of links that you need to make it the right size for you. And this is the finished product. What do you think? I love these screws on the bezel, and the bracelets look so nice. I was a bit afraid how it will look in person, but I'm so satisfied with it. Like I said, there will be a link for it in the description if you want to try out yourself. And thank you for watching. If you like this type of videos, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of videos about the watches. So see ya.